Hello everyone, welcome to the series of variations. So in today's concept we will be learning about a new assignment, and that is we have to write a program to convert the first character into uppercase in a sentence. So I'll just write it over here. We have to convert the first character into uppercase in a sentence. So this is applicable only for the first character. Okay, so we basically have to convert the first character into the uppercase into a sentence, and if apart from the first character, if any other character is in uppercase, then we have to convert it into the lowercase. Okay, for example, if the given input is A, B, B, C, so the output will be A, B, B, C. Similarly, if the input is A, B, C, then the output should be A, B, C. Only the first letter is kept uppercase. Rest all of the alphabets have been kept for lowercase. Similarly, if the name is, then it should be G-E-E-T-A, the same as it is the name. Okay, so this is how we have to work. Okay, we will take another input, say for example all is well. Okay, so how it is going to be, all is well. All the characters जो हैं, they are supposed to be in the small case. So how we are going to do this? Okay, so firstly we will take a character array and say assume CH. I have taken CH as a character array, and I will convert this complete string into the character array. Okay, so the string will become what? A, B, B, C. So this is now my character array, keeping these as the indexes. Right, so these are the indexes now of this character array. Now we will check the first character of the word. Okay, how we are going to find that it is the first, because we have to traverse the whole array now. Okay, so we will do that with the help of a loop, that we will iterate the whole array. And in this whole array, what we are going to do, we will check if it is in lowercase. If ch of I, if it is in the lowercase, then we will convert any of the letters. If it is in lowercase, we will convert it into uppercase. Okay, apart from that, apart from the first character, if any other character is in uppercase, apart from the first character, if any of the character is in uppercase, then we will convert it into lowercase. Well, we all know how to convert the character into lowercase or uppercase. You can simply plus minus the values, the Unicode values, or you can simply use the characters as well for doing this. Okay, so let me just take you to the coding section where we will directly work on it. So what I will be doing, firstly, I will be taking a string S is equal to A, B, B, C. This was the string to which we were working on. Okay. So what I will be doing is I will be just creating a method for this. And I will pass this string to this convert string method. I will just create this method. Okay. Now this method has to return a string first of all, not the character array or something. The S should be capital. Now what we will do first? We will firstly create a character array. How we will create a character array? I will simply write down S dot to char array and I will store this into an array ch. Okay. So this is, I have taken a character array and I have stored the string into it. Now, in the next very step, what we will do, we will start working with the for loop because we have to iterate it, the character array completely. So we will start it from I is equal to 0 to, there are two things, either I will work with string की length तक. Now I have to check if the first character of the word is found. Okay, it simply means that if I is equal to 0, that is at the 0th position, I have to check that I is equal to 0. I am talking about this character. If the first character of the word is found, how it will be found? If I is equal to 0 and I, that is obviously the character array at 0 position, is not equal to space. Okay, or we can say if it is equal to space and if it is not equal to space and chi minus 1, in short 0th index should not be space, then only we can say it is the first character of your word. Okay, so how am I going to write it? If I is equal to 0, okay, it means we are at the index position, at the 0th position, and ch of I, that is ch of I means this index we are talking about, ch of I here is 0. So it means we are talking about this element. So this should not be equal to what? This should not be equal to space. Okay. Okay. Or ch of I should not be equal to space and ch of I minus 1. If whatever the next value for the next word, because if the word will be like all is well, then definitely we have to check it out that W is the new word here, right? In is, I is the new word here. So we have to check if it is the first letter. So we will say I minus 1 is equal to space. If the condition is satisfied, if any one of the conditions is satisfied, then we will now check if the first character of the word has been found. Now we will check if it is in lowercase. So what am I going to write down? If ch of I is greater or equal to obviously small a and ch of I is less or equal to small z, that is if they are falling into the category of lowercase, then what? Do what? Convert them into uppercase. How? ch of I में क्या वैल्यू स्टोर कर दीजिए आप? ch of I minus a plus or you can directly, one second, you can directly work with what? Integers. So how it will calculate? Okay, so it means what does it mean? First of all, let me just show you. It means, let me just calculate it. What is the ch of I? Ch of I, because I is at 0th index, therefore it means it is A, right? I will write here A. Minus A character plus A. What does it mean? It means ch of I. A's Unicode value is 97 minus A's Unicode value is 97 plus capital A's Unicode value is 65. So 97 minus 97 will become 0. 0 plus 65 will become 65. So 65's character value will be what? It will be capital A. So now it will definitely store, because here it was small a, now it will become capital A over here. Okay, this was our target, that we have to convert it into capital A. Done. Now let's just work out for the other. Apart from the first character, we have to check it out. So I will just delete it now. Okay, so I will write down else if ch of I, if it is greater than or equal to capital A, that is if they are of the category capitals 1. So ch of I is less or equal to capital Z. If they are of this category, then do what? ch of I may, what you will save now? ch of I plus A minus capital A. The ulta wala version of above case. You can also use the Unicode values wala concept. There is no issue in that. So I am using this wala concept. Just another method, not anything else. And after doing this, do one thing. Where is your for loop getting closed? Create another string S1 and pass this character array to this string and return this S1. Okay, let me just execute it. See, and we are on the correct way. So if we will write down like this A, B, C, D, E, the output should be A should be. What happened to it? Where is the main method? Okay. Okay. S1. Haven't I got called to this? PC. Okay, so actually I haven't saved it. I just executed it as it is. I didn't saved it. Okay, So you can see if I will not save my program, it will just be the same. See it is working for the last updated, so I haven't saved it now. So you can see over here. Now I will save it and I will run it. Now we have got the correct output. So this is how we are going to convert it. Hope you guys understand it. Thank you very much.